So guys, welcome to your 6th PHP tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the switch statement. Now what the switch statement is this: it's a lot like the if-else-if statement, but some people think it's a lot easier, so that's why I'm going to be teaching it to you guys today. So let's go ahead and type in a variable. I'll call this country, and we'll set it equal to USA. Now the syntax for a switch statement is this: type in switch and type in the variable that you want to test. And in this condition we're typing country. So that's what we want to test. So that's what we're going to use. And now, since this is going to have a bunch of lines, we're going to want to use the curly braces. So go ahead and type those in now so you don't forget about them later. And now you type in case, and you type in whatever this variable right here is going to be equal to. So you see, in the case of that, it's equal to USA, and then you enter a colon. Make sure you enter a regular colon and not a semicolon. I don't know if you guys can tell on the video, but it's just a regular colon. So you say, in case the variable country is equal to USA, we want you to echo you're in USA. And then we need to break it. What this means, well, I'll tell you guys later what break means if I don't forget. And now you give it another condition. I'll organize this so it's easier to see. Say, in the case the variable is equal to Japan, colon, of course, after everything can be equal to, you put a colon. So in case it's equal to Japan, you want it to echo you're in Japan, colon, and then break it. And then the last case is always default, and this is kind of similar to the last else statement. It says if none of these conditions are true, then the default is what you execute. So for the default for this, I'm just gonna echo you messed up, and it's gonna tell us that we messed up. And of course we'll end it with a break. And now I'll finally tell you guys what break means, because I bet you've just been dying to know. What break means is once you execute a statement, then there's no need to go through the rest of this. So say we're going to test this and it's going to equal it right here. So now that we already found that it was equal to USA, there's no need to test Japan or for the default or anything else. So we're just going to end it right then. This means, alright, once you get to this and you find something, break it and stop doing the rest of the code, because there's no need for it. So right now we have the condition USA and it's equal to country. So if we save it, take a look at it, as you can see it says you're in USA. But what if our condition, our variable, was equal to Japan? Now if we saved it, in the case that is equal to Japan, it should echo you're in Japan. So we saved it, and as you can see, you're in Japan. That's what it echoes. And lastly, what if it was equal to Paris? Nah, Paris isn't even a country, but so we tested this. It's not USA, it's not Japan, so it should take us to our last resort. You messed up. So save it, refresh it, and well, would you look at that, we messed up. Not really, but it's just what it executed. So now, as you guys can see, a switch statement is an alternative, what some people think is a lot easier than the if-else-if statement. So now that you have some more options, you can see the difference between the two. So that's all the time we have for right now. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.